Hello everyone, I'm Anwar from AI Labs. This is the video presentation of AI4ML closed beta, and today we're going to be working with the Airbnb user bookings data. And first of all, let's preview our table. So this is the history of user bookings. ID is the ID of a user. Date account created is a date when the user created its account, and date first of booking, gender, age, sign up method. First browser, it is the information about which browser user used on first sign up, and the country of destination. This will be our target column. We're going to be trying to predict this column based on this data, and today we have about, and here we have about 12 different countries in our list. Okay, first of all, let's try to analyze our table in order to see some correlations between columns and so on. So right now it is preparing the data, and okay, it is finished preparing. Now let's try to draw some chart. Let's take a bar chart, and we're going to be looking for the correlation between the language user speak, native language of the user, and the country of destination. Let's draw a chart. So it is drawing, finished drawing. So all right. As you can see here that almost the most of the data are made for English speakers, and for English speakers we have a very big amount of data, and for others we have a very few. So now let's try to filter this filter our data from English speakers and see how other people correlate with our target column. Alright, we such as language, select all, take all without English speakers. Alright, we applied our filter, and you can see that almost, I think in many cases, United States is very popular among Airbnb users. Let's see how Russian speaking people, what is the most popular country among Russian speaking people? It is, I think, United States. We don't have much data on the right, only 3. And the NDF, not sure which country it is, but it shows that it is a very popular place among French people. Again, NDF, and second place United States and France, and third place. So yeah, for French speakers, of course, French will be very popular, and other, Spain, and so on. Okay, so we explored our correlations between the native language of user and the country of destination. Now let's try to predict country of destination based on our columns that we're gonna have. Okay, our target column, country destination. Let's start training. right now, based on the data of table, it tried to the algorithm tries to come up with the best fit of machine learning algorithm to in order to train our model. So it may be support vector machines and random forest or neural networks. So it will uh, try and come up with the best model automatically. Okay, it is processing input data. It may take some time, usually about a couple of minutes. Um, Actually, this is running on my local machine. We can see the logs here. Yeah, it's still running, still processing input data. Okay, while it is processing, let me show you the other part of our machine learning engine. So if you are actually are software engineer or machine learning engineer, you can go to code-based option and try to play with your with the data you're exporting and choose. And here you can there is a all right. It doesn't allow me to go to the next part because it is still running. All right. Still processing. So okay, it is finished processing the data. Right now it is training the model. So still training the model. Okay, it is finished training the model. As you can see, it took 70,000 instances as a training set and 30,000 instances as a test set. And training accuracy shows us 99%, which is totally normal. And test accuracy gives us 85%, which is a good result. So we have our trained model, and in the future we're going to be using this model to apply it to our to new data we're going to have, and in order to predict our target column. Okay, let's try to predict on some random data we're gonna. Okay, so these are the columns you will need to give to model to find the country of destination, right? And the ID, date created. Let's make it like this, for example. Date of first booking not given. Gender, let's make it male. Age, let's make 33. Mark desktop for browser Chrome. iOS. Language, let's say Russian. And let's try to predict based on this data some result. Okay, it is successfully predicted target column, and our country destination is NDF. So this is it for today, and thank you for your attention. Bye bye.